How to make your friends can post on your profile on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your friends can post on your profile on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings. Click on it and go down. Here you will find this one, profile and tagging. Click on it and then click who can post on your profile, and now just click friends, and now your friends can post on your profile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.